Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to make a quick video to show you where you can buy parts, especially if you live in the United States. This video will apply mostly to my viewers from there. However, if you're Canadian, you can order from there as well. And that place is discountonlineparts.com. I've talked about them in the past. Now, this business is veteran owned. So if you buy from them, you are supporting a veteran of your country from the United States. And also, if you order from Canada, just remember that the shipping will take longer and it will be more expensive as well. So just keep that in mind if you order from there. In the United States, if you order from there, it's cheaper to ship and you'll probably get it quicker. Just little things to keep in mind. So here's some things I got here a little while ago from them. You can buy shop packs of spark plugs RC12YC if you are a busy shop. It's much better getting them that way. They also carry the full line of Oregon parts, outdoor equipment parts, belts, and everything else. That's just one belt here. This is a common belt on Craftsman lawn tractors here, 144959, Oregon 75-197. And here's another common belt for the Craftsman machines, 144200. This is a deck belt. Here's a shop pack of fuel filters as well. And as I mentioned, they do have the full line of Oregon parts, Oregon blades included. They do sell MTD parts, Briggs & Stratton parts, all kinds of stuff. Just give them a call. The phone number is here, 1-423-735-1008. If they don't pick up, just leave a message, guys. You will get a reply. You can also email them. The website is discountonlineparts.com. And they also ship for free within the United States if you have $199.95 and over on your order. And here's a code that I asked them to give me to share with you guys. If you input this code here, save 10% at checkout. You will save 10% on your order. So remember, if you buy from them, you are supporting a veteran-owned business. I've been dealing with them for over 10 years now, and I've had great service. Do remember, though, if you order from Canada, that you can expect shipment delays and possibly some duty fees once it crosses the border. I do know a lot of Canadians, though, who have ordered parts there, and they were happy. Give them a try, guys. discountonlineparts.com. All the info is in the video description, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, guys.